my right to be just how normal you stand next to me. For we both know it's more than a load for you to bear. But I'll understand if you leave me for another man with little less on his mind, less on his plate, less on his brain.
Hey guys, what's up? It's your boy Chordnificent back here with your guitar interpretations, and today we are doing the song Do Not Leave by Danielcaesar. Alright, so as you might have noticed, I don't know the lyrics yet. I'm planning to do a cover. Do let me know in the comment section below if you guys would like to hear it. It will definitely be on the other channel, but for now let's do the tutorial so that those of you that also want to do covers can do that real quick. Alright, so my guitar is in standard tuning, which should sound like that when your strings are open. And I have a capo on fret number 1. Note, if you don't have a capo, you can just learn the chords, learn the progression, how it goes, and then play it without the capo. It will just be half a note down because, yeah, like when you transpose, that's like a note. So, yeah, you can still play it without the capo. The pitch will just not be the perfect one on the song. So, yeah. So the verse, intro, chorus has the same chords, which are E minor, D, G, A minor. That's C sharp, and then C, and then again E minor, D, G, A minor, and then this time I play D, and then I play C. Alright, and the C this time is a little bit different. So let me show you how I'm holding the chords. So the E minor is from the top, the high pitched E going up. It's open, 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 2, 2, open. So that's E minor. And then the D that I'm playing is open, open, 2, open, open, 2. Then G, which is 1, which is 3, open, 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 2, 3. And then I go to A minor, which is open, 1, 2, 2, open, open. So that's E minor, D, G, A minor. And then I go to the D minor, which is, it's a C, and C is open, 1, open, 2, 3, open. But I'm playing the C in the next fret, so you just slide everything up 1 fret to make it open, 2, open, 3, 4, open. And when you're strumming, make sure you don't strum the high pitched E for this particular chord. So it's gonna be, so that's 5, 4, 3, 2, right? And then you slide it down to the normal C. Okay, so we have E minor, D, G, A minor, C sharp, and then slide it to C, okay? And then again, E minor, D, G, A minor, and then this time I play a D, which in this case, D is a C, right? But that's slid 2 frets up, right? You can hold the normal D, which is 1, 2, 3, 2, open, open, open. Or you can hold this one, which is open, 3, open, 4, 5, open, right? And then down to C. And again, we're doing that 5, 4, 3, 2. I'm going to explain this on the intermediate way to play. So this is like the beginner way. So I'm just showing you the chords and then you strum. The intermediate will know which chords to pluck. And then the advanced player will do the fancy finger picking and so on. Alright, so we have E minor, G, E minor, D, G, A minor, and then C sharp down to C, okay? And then again, E minor, D, G, A minor, D, and then C. Right, so the C, the last time I like to play like this, which is open, open, 2, 2, 3, open. And you just pluck strings 5, 4, 3. Okay, like that. intermediate way to play, which is to pluck the strings. So the chords are going to remain the same, but now you're going to incorporate the strums, and then you're going to bunch them up with like plucks. So E minor, you're doing 6 5 4 3, and then D 6 5 4 3, G 6 5 4 3 again, and then A minor 5 4 3 2, and then you slide to C sharp 5 4 3 2, and then for C it's 5 4 3 2 again, the strings, and then E minor, D, G, C. Right, so C is gonna be 5 4 3 2 again, but this last one, it's 5 4 3 because we're holding open 2 2 3, right? It's a little bit like conclusive. So this part is A minor, but this time you're not holding the third string. I'll put the chart again here, but that A minor, and then we go into G, right? And then we move into the B. Okay, so we have an A minor to G, and then we have that B, and then back to A, the major chord. Okay, so A minor, I've already shown you how to hold that, but I'll still put the charts, and then G. And then we have this B, which is open 4 2 4 2 X. So you're not playing that. So essentially you're borrowing the second fret and playing an A in the fourth fret, but for that A, the third string is open, so it goes back to the bar, which is the second fret, right? And then we're back to A. And then A minor. The plucking for that part is the advanced way to play it, right? And you're playing 1 2 3 4 times, and then you move to G. Right? And then there's this B, and then A. Back to A minor, and then G, the B, and then the variation of G, which you can also play as a bar chord. So yeah, the pattern is A minor, which is 5 3 4 2 5 D 4 2 5 D 4 2 5 D 4 2 4 times, and then you move to G, which is 6 4 5 1 6 4 5 1 6 4 5 1 4 times, and then you move to the B, which is 5 3 4 2 5 D 4 2 5 D 4 2 5 D 4 2 4 times. And then the A is 5 3 4 2 again, 4 times. And then when he says, "I wish we could all work together," or something like that, that's when you go to the this G variation, which is 4 2 4 2 3 1. And by the way I'm holding this is 5 5 4 5. I'm not sure I'm gonna find a chord for it, so I just thought I should leave this right there. I'm gonna look for the rest of the chords and put them as diagrams. And then G is 6. It's basically a G bar chord, and then you add a pinky on the 5th fret. Otherwise, that's been it, guys. Do let me know if there are any new songs that you want me to check out as tutorials, as interpretations, or whatever. I'm probably gonna do a cover. If you guys do covers, throw them in the comment section. I would love to check them out. I appreciate you guys so much. Thank you for the support. Thank you for 5K subscribers. I'm sure by the time this video goes live, yeah, we'll probably be on 5K. If we're not, make sure we go to 5K. All right, leave a like, share the video with your friends that play guitar, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.